It's a fact. 95% of guys suck at giving gifts. The rest don't even try. Let's face it, Casanovas, we need help. It's time to stop agonizing over overpriced handbags, same old jewelry, and clothes that may or may not fit. It's time to think outside the box and inside the drawer. Surprise and delight her with something she'll love, and you will too. Enter the vibrator, courtesy of us at Upper Drawer. That's right, we said vibrator. It's the perfect gift every woman secretly wants, but won't buy for herself. Birthday, Valentine's, anniversary, Christmas, a vibrator is the perfect way to say I love you. But how do you pick one out? Luckily, there's Upper Drawer, offering a hand-picked selection of only the finest, safest, quietest vibrators on the market. Instead of embarrassing yourself in some sleazy sex shop or trying to peruse thousands of shady products online, we'll help you choose in seconds with our unique Vibe Finder. We'll keep your private life private with secure shopping and free and discreet shipping. And we'll even take care of the wrap job too, so you're really off the hook. So visit Upper Drawer now, and you too can stop sucking at gifts.